So nadinggan tayo ako, ya? Iti purpose ta ngayon may dito. Okay. Kaya dawatit man nga ron, nga pamakder tayo. Kami lang ang talo. Okay. And face each other. Hold each other's hands. Ano nga tawag nga nag-birthday? The same feeling, the same smooth hands. But after 2 years from now,
same hands.
Same. Unless you will be washing or you doing household chores definitely. Okay, kabalin to. Closer. Yan. Okay. Lester and Laika, supposedly, I have with me the paper that you are going to read. But since it's not around, so I would like them to ask you to follow me. Okay? But after the wedding, do not follow me because I'll be going wrong. Only the things that I'm going to tell you that you're going to follow. May I ask one from the secondary sponsors to hold the mic? Lester, I want you to declare, okay? Please follow after me. Okay, I do solemnly declare that I do not know of any lawful impediment why I, Lester, may not be joined in matrimony to Laika. Say me to Laika. I do solemnly declare that I do not know of any lawful impediment why I, Laika, may not be joined in matrimony to Lester. So nadinggan tayo dito declarations na harapsat. And let's go to declaration of the vows, exchange of vows. Again, follow after me. I will give you the chance later to say what you want to tell to Laika later. Okay. Okay. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I call upon these persons that I do take Laika to be my lawful wedded wife. I will trust her and respect her. Laugh and cry with her. Love her faithfully through good times and bad times. I give her my hand, my heart and my love. From this day forward, as long as we both shall live. Laika, I call upon these persons here present to witness that I take you, Lester, to be my lawful wedded husband. I will trust you and respect you, love you and cry with you, loving you faithfully through good times and bad times. I give you my hand, my heart and my love. From this day forward, as long as we both shall live. Real love has no beginning and end. So today, always wear your wedding ring. It is not just a piece of jewelry, but it is a sign that reminds the whole world that you are off limits And it's also a reminder that every time you make a decision in your life, you must have to consider your cost of that ring. Ang value na iti kitkitain kayo dito pero the essence na. Because rings are made up of gold and silver, and these are the two most precious metal here on earth. And as precious as these metals, as they will become valuable na iti ayat yu iti tunggal myself. Okay? And so this time, I will give you the privilege and the opportunity kunyari iti kayat mo nga ibaga kinilay ka as to insert that ring into her ring finger. Lester, mabalin mo nga i-carry amin na paatumbon that as you insert that ring, okay, into Laika's ring finger. You bring it out slowly and carefully. Okay. Please take a look at this other.
Mababalang. Mababalang ibaga.
I'm reminded of James chapter 1 verse 17, where it says that every good and perfect gift comes from above. Jolene Laikashing Bukalen Lalanaw, you are truly a gift from God. And I promise to spend the rest of my life treating you as such. I will love you, I will be faithful to you from this day forward. I will lead you and guide you as Christ leads me. So this ring, it symbolizes our covenant, my pledge to you and to our God. So please accept this ring as a symbol of this covenant and of my love for you, Laika.
Kapasangit kayo. Panak mo gruntag sangit. Lester, you have been my classmate, my confidant, my playmate, but most especially you are the love of my life. I cannot imagine that I could be happier with anyone else than you. That was. I vow to give my heart and that we journey hand in hand in this life, in this new journey that we will take. And I promise to support you, to love you, to give my life to you, and to spend my forever with you.
Lapakan tayo, Kalabig to be one in one of the mass weddings that I have officiated. Sinama ko ito lang. Imagination na, di creativity na ng panunod nga. Siyempre, piman, iti mass wedding talaga makita na even their clothes, piman talaga na awananda, na talaga awananda, I should say. So makita mo ijay no the exchange of rings that ijay mga marikna iti feelings na ito'y agasawa. Adamot lang di kinasal ko Lester niya. Nga hindi naman limay na si Puput mo din. Ang agtagtagari di lalaki makapagbabawi mo tayo. Kaya ko na apay ngay mo natin. Sir, di rin mo di may kadwa nga ubing ni Kutni. I found out nga at agayang tisiling na di bibig na aslamat din armalite jingiwat na. Kaya ko nakmat, you go and buy a bulletproof di bangir di Muslim na. Sir, nangina, no, that will only cost you around 150 pesos. DJ, ikabil mo di lapayag. So, every spots that you have pledged yourself one to the other by the exchanging of vows and rings, okay, by the virtue of power vested in me as the mayor of the city of Tabuk, I hereby pronounce you now as husband and wife. May we give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. I wish you happiness and prosperity, and may the vows that you made it, to one another a while ago sustain you forever. Tapno, forever magtipin at tipon. Okay? So now, Lester and Laika, we want you to show the community how much you love each other through a kiss. Okay. Don't you worry. We will all close our eyes by doing this thing so that we won't see you. Okay? Kasi we have apin na partos yung taga-ipugaw. Unong taga-sagada tinapardas. Ay, paano na? Pwede, bayaw ko hindi nakapsot. Nakapsot hindi. After the count of 5, Lester, you may kiss your wife. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Colin, niya kayo, di bagbagang mo kayo. No, next week today niya. Next week na. Sige. Baka malipatak ko na damagin. Okay? Sige. Bilang akti 5. Urayin D5 na may pag-akti 5 sa mo. Bilang 1, 2, 3, 4.1, 4.2, 4.9. Ilagay mo tayo. Ano yung lamot na barangay? Diyan ka barangay Dilamot? Nayon. Okay, sige. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dati kasing 5 di nayon, Engineer Sarmiento. Ama mo yun? Ni manong tante nga Sarmiento. Ama mo yun? Dati di nayon. Engineer Sarmiento, di nagbaling nga district engineer dito. 4. Ani Tomar nga Bunol, ama mo yun, posible, nga? Isuti mayor ni Tomar nga Bunol, katwak hindi nga vice mayor, nagbalin nga mayor tataos to? Okay, sige. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ada kay ti Salvio ijay, nga? Salvio, ada dyan nga. Dilamot, di ipag ni Noli nga Okamoto nga nagtare nga mayor. Gusto? Kita gusto yung magbalat. Aging lento. Okay, at the count of 5. Narigat ang mukha urayan yun. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ay, natititaga sagada to yapo. Tumakder kayo man. Ay, aduda. Okay. Sige. Palakpak. Taga sagada. Tagay po ka. Palakpak. Okay. Baka makagura lang to. Anak na gito. Sige. 4 latang. Then 5. Go! May sapay ka no?
Salamat na po tayo nung may kayo. Thank you so much everyone. Kami nga maliplipatan na ito eh.
May metlog kang nusundati na pang ibagang kayo pa'y pumanaw. See you! Our bride and groom, Lester and Laika.
Watching you stand
so much for giving us this, of course, a beauty queen in the province. She was crowned as Miss Kalinga, and this is my first time to host a wedding of a beauty queen. So nga, tatay Urayek, hindi iti message na tatay hindi panagitan tirig at ada I thank you na or dito Urayek. Kasi yung panagsaon na ka talagang with voice na beauty queen talaga ngam kunak no, and I thank you. Kunalan siya. Alright, so but then you're still a beauty queen in our hearts, like though you are married now, it doesn't mean that you are no longer deserve that Miss Kalinga title. Of course, you will always be reigning in our hearts as the Miss Kalinga. That you are blessed. Both of you handsome and beautiful. So nga talagang impag dagiti anak yun to nagpipintas na gwapo. Kuanan kat awan ay din tayo labsan. So nga tiunan ada dagiti sala tayo with the gangsa, ada dagiti panagpatong from Mountain Province, adamat iti way of beating the gong from the Kabenggetan man dita or Ifugao. We also have different styles, and of course Kalinga kat intay amin pagsasabtan. Ngamunaan tayo man garot. Iti naabutan tayo ang probinsya Kalinga. And as requested, tayo suman iti salaan, iti sa pasap, especially dagiti agabalayan, tupayaman ka no apo. Tayo imbis ka di, abalayan, kunana, dagiti tupaya. Patungpay nga ron, awan di tupaya, okay, patunglatan ka ron, awan dagiti jay taga-dalak, minanga, nga taga-tupaya no, dakasar. Okay, so dagiti pumapatong man apo from Matanudan siguro, tirugyanan tayo, nga ron, tada kayo ti host family, kada kayo man di umay garod mangirugi nga mga tukar iti patong tayo to be danced by everybody, especially dagiti both families. Yaya ibis tayo kadagiti agabalayan, the father and the mother of both families of groom and bride, so that pagsasabtan tayo tambis nga abalayan nga balse. Alright, so dagiti pumapatong apo iawis ko man tao ala nagiyalap po na po di mo mayulat pa nagsali tanang nga sayang Isaiah pintas kiyo tukar tigalsa. After this.
Pati nga pamilya kan manugang king ka Lester, hindi ka na rabi pelay na imilin mi, dati ugali mi na minilin, dadayin bagbagami, na imbilin mi met kanya na, sakbay na kayong sponsor. Kita, thank you. Welcome ko nga nagiti balayan nga nagaputi Sagara Mountain Province, ken nagiti nagaputi Lamo Tipugaw. Welcome kayo amin, pati amin nga sponsor, ken amin nga bisita nga datoy nga nanganos nga umay mang kita dito nga okasyon. Welcome kayo amin, tibatang ko kita, welcome Shakti Apukon Nineka nga artist ko katalen. Detoy nga ayan tayo tata awang kumati agawit na detemet mirana nga Shakti Apukon Nineka sakpay ti purok leader dito purok 5 kita awisek amin kailian pamilya nagiti bisita makita yumet damit silbina nga may kayo to'y tabok kakaro nakita yumet ti inguten nga mayor mito ni Darwin Estrangero kita nangeg yumet ti pinagsasauna kita na-improve launa ito'y ayan mi tabok hindi timpo na. Thank you ken welcome amin nga bisita amin nga umay dito nga lumaray ket matatagot ako losan. Thank you ako Elsie.
Nga sarabo ka dagiti amin nga datoy ket ituloy tayo manen garo iti ragragsak na.
Association members, come forward.
Tagayam ti asosasyon na okay, so umay man garod ato dagiyay may nagpa-picture nga Tegiin family tata masapol bat nga mapunlo at tamad lang di salunan.